It tastes like crayons to me. I got
Y'all taste crayons?
Yeah, we taste crayons.
Yeah, we taste crayons.
Yeah, we taste crayons.
In pre-K,
I
we
think I'm
taste
in the wrong
crayons.
family, y'all.
We taste crayons, didn't we?
Yeah, we taste crayons.
What's up, YouTube fam? It's Keeping Up with the Griffins, and it's Vlogmas Day. Hey!
Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here,
You know what to do. Subscribe and click that bell. Dang, dang. Like and comment on our videos down below.
we'll be happy to have you a part of our Griffin family. So you can join us on all these fun videos throughout the month of December while we're doing Vlogmas and all the future videos that we plan on doing.
Vlogmas Day 8, and we are trying the exotic snack tasting.
We got a lot of good stuff out that we're gonna try. Some of it I don't know about it.
Yeah, I'm not too sure of that dirt and the grass one.
Yeah, what y'all think about it?
I'm scared about this one because this one is black. Peanut butter jelly.
Yeah, we're gonna see how that tastes.
Okay, so what we have here is the Cheetos Bag of Bones Cinnamon Sugar. This shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah,
It's probably like cinnamon toast crunch.
I hope it's not cheesy also.
Oh
That's the
man,
only thing
I
about
ain't thought about that. Does it look cheesy on the bag?
I don't know, maybe it's just cinnamon. I hope it's not cheesy and cinnamon. I
No,
don't
see
think
now,
that would be too
don't do
bad.
that, 'cause that makes my stomach. Then we have the Krispy Kreme donuts. This shouldn't be too bad.
And we got the cinnamon sugar donut.
Okay, come through cinnamon
might be
sugar.
alright. Might be alright. We got some bubblegum yogurt pretzels.
But you, I never heard that one.
Yeah, that's a new one. Then we got some candies here. Kitkat's flavors.
We have the key lime pie.
Fruity cereal.
Fruity cereal, which is like Fruit Loop flavor. And we actually saw the Embry Family Entertainment 7 try these candies out. So we gonna give them a shot and see what we think about them. And I think the most exciting things we have are in the middle.
We have the peanut butter and jelly soda. I don't know how to think about that. The grass.
And
soda.
we have dirt flavored soda. Dirt flavored soda, grass flavored soda, and peanut butter and jelly flavored soda.
So I guess we're gonna dig in. We're gonna let Joe go first.
Alright. We are gonna try this first.
Oh, okay.
So let's move them out of the way. On the side. Move them on the side. Okay. Alright, so the first one that we're tasting is the Cheetos Bag of Bones Cinnamon Sugar flavor.
Alrighty, y'all ready?
Ready to taste it?
Okay. That's good.
That's pretty good. It tastes like something I've tasted before, but I don't know.
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but a little bit lighter.
Oh, you talking about
Might
it tastes
taste
like
good.
cinnamon rolls, like when you cook it.
You might can
That's
eat it
what
with
it tastes like.
might can eat it with milk.
Oh yeah. Really? We can try.
You want to try that, don't you? Next one is also a cinnamon flavor is the cinnamon sugar donut.
We get cinnamon sugar stuff. Smells. It's like cinnamon apple oatmeal.
It tastes pretty good.
Nah,
I don't like that too much.
it's not sweet.
Next one is the original glazed donut Krispy Kreme flavor.
I wonder if it's really gonna taste like donuts.
Yeah,
I
that
hope so. Now we love Krispy Kreme.
Yes, we team
So-
Krispy Kreme over here, not no Dunkin'.
This gotta be pretty good.
is God.
Yeah, when you said Dunkin', I thought about that. I
Not
thought
that Dunkin' though.
about that macchiato drink.
Yeah, my
that's
the way how your face
I thought about that.
looks.
Alright, ready?
Creamy.
That's good.
That's pretty good. That one's pretty good. Next up we have the bubblegum yogurt pretzels.
This like this one tastes good.
Bubble gum.
Never seen these before, but they look pretty good.
I like to smell my food before I put it in my mouth. What does it smell like? It smell like something.
This tastes
I don't know, but it do smell like something.
Like an old kitchen counter. It's like rubber cousin. I don't like that one. I get out of one. One.
I give it a 2.
I know.
That didn't taste too good.
It don't even taste like bubblegum.
No, it tastes.
It's like I taste that taste before, or smell that.
It tastes like something that's stale,
Yes,
but
that.
supposed to be sweet.
I don't know who made that. They need to take that back to
Yeah.
the factory.
What?
Next one is the key lime pie flavored Kitkat.
I love key lime cakes, cupcakes, so I know this is gonna taste good.
Okay.
It tastes like
Just like Fruit Loops.
They got the key lime flavor in there.
I love key lime.
It tastes like Trix.
Yeah,
Trick
what
cereal.
yeah.
Tastes like Trix cereal. Alright, next one is the Kitkat fruity cereal.
this thing tastes like
It's like
treats.
Trix.
It tastes like treats. It tastes
Not
like
me.
sweet tarts a little bit.
It's
I
like-
only taste Fruity Pebbles one time, and this tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
It does.
It does.
See, you know how to recognize different cereals. I don't. I think they all taste like.
This tastes like Fruity Pebbles. The other one tastes like Trix.
So we down to the sodas. We don't know which one we're gonna go with first. Which one, Joe?
Alright, so
We're gonna get the.
we got dirt flavor, we got grass,
And we got peanut
peanut
butter.
butter and jelly. Well, this might be the best one.
I know.
Alright, dirt.
I guess.
This dirt flavored soda, it says shoveled and bottled in the USA. Dirt flavored soda. I wonder what's in it though.
I'm trying to figure out what's that dark spot.
Dirt.
We gon'
That's
all
the dirt in there.
We all gonna be in the That's the Lord.
Alright.
I go first. Save me, Lord.
Y'all ready?
Oh.
smell like?
It smells like dirt.
I save my smell
Yep,
for my taste.
Alright. It smells like dirt.
Tastes like crayons. Tastes like crayons.
You gotta drink it all. You gotta drink it all. Come on,
Like
you gotta
cream
drink it
soda.
all.
Why does it taste like crayons?
Y'all taste crayons before?
Yes. When I was a baby.
You gotta drink it all. Come on, you got it.
Feels like cream soda, root beer.
It tastes like crayons to me. I got
Y'all taste crayons?
Yeah, we taste crayons.
Yeah, we taste crayons.
Yeah, we taste crayons.
In pre-K, we
I think I'm
taste
in the wrong
crayons.
family,
We
y'all.
taste crayons, didn't
We're a crazy family.
we? It do taste like crayons though.
Ew.
But I don't know how crayons taste. I know how they smell. So are you trying to say they smell the taste?
It tastes like crayons.
The smell was dirt.
You want me to get crayons so you can taste it?
No.
It tastes like crayons though.
Yeah, it does.
It tastes like crayons.
I tasted a million times. Me too.
That's where all the crayons going in, huh? Alright, so we down to the last two. We're gonna do the grass. The grass bottle says mowed and bottled in the USA.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Yeah, mowed and bottled.
Oh, great.
Oh, did the glass come out?
It did.
Did it went inside? No, it went on your plate.
Oh. Y'all ready?
Yeah. It tastes like apples.
It do kind of taste a little bit like apples.
That's what it tastes like, a Jolly Rancher.
I got 7.
Apple. An apple Jolly Rancher. So it's
Don't
not
break
bad.
this one.
Alright, I'm gonna try to open this one without breaking it. Okay, didn't break that one. Alright. The last one, peanut butter and jelly flavored soda.
That's a big one. Classy. It tastes like.
What it smell
It
like?
smells like peach.
Yeah, it smells like peach.
Ready?
It smells like peach. I don't taste peanut butter and jelly.
It tastes like an old peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I tell you that.
So what y'all think overall?
What was your favorite one?
This was my favorite. I like the chips.
You like the grass soda the best?
I like the grass soda.
I say this right here, if I had to rate everything, I would say this was the worst, followed by these. I don't even know in what order. And I really like the popcorns.
Me too. I like
Yeah.
all of them. And the Kitkats.
Yeah, we thank y'all for watching our exotic food tasting video, the 8th day of Vlogmas. We're doing Vlogmas all December, the whole month of December. We dropping new videos every day. So make sure you have your post notifications turned on
Come on.
so you can know whenever we put the Vlogmas videos out.
And you gotta make sure you subscribe to our channel to get all the good content that we have here.
And click that bell. Dang, dang. And don't forget,
I guess we'll see y'all tomorrow.
tomorrow in the next video.
Peace out. See you later.
Peace
Happy
out.
holidays.
Happy holidays.
Bye.
See you tomorrow, buddy.